Hi, today I'm going to show you how to integrate your QBO account with your Uku account. For that purpose, let's go to Settings and Apps and open the QuickBooks app. Let's activate the app, and under the Import tab, I can connect to QuickBooks. I am being now navigated to the QuickBooks login page, and since I have already logged in here before as myself, then I don't need to enter my login credentials for Intuit again. But if you are doing the setup for the first time, then you would have to enter your login credentials here. Choose then also the company that you want to integrate with, and let's move to the next step where we confirm the connection between these two apps. Let's wait a few seconds. And now Uku navigates me back to the QuickBooks app once the connection is established. Here with Start Import, I can initiate the client import from QBO to Uku. So I can import the full list of my clients from QBO to Uku. Uku will show me here which are the new clients that it found and which clients I also already do have in Uku, and Uku found a good match. And I can update those clients here if I wish to. I do want to import and update all of the clients, so I'm going to confirm this. And once the import is successfully done, Uku shows me the list of imported and updated clients. In addition to importing clients from QBO, you can also use QBO as your billing service. So I came back to the Settings and Apps and opened the billing app. And here under the setup, I can choose QuickBooks as my billing service. And I can also turn on the automatic invoice status update, which will take place daily. Let's save my selection. And under the product tab, I can choose to import my products and services from QBO. I can either import all products and services, or I can also choose to import only new ones if I have already set up most of them and I only want to update a few. During this import, we will import the products and services and also the tax rates. As a next step in billing, you might want to set up your master contract templates to make it easier for yourself to apply contracts to your clients. Let's move to the clients list. And here for this client, I have already set up a contract. And this contract contains all the services and products that I also have set up under my QBO account. And based on this contract, Uku has already generated the draft invoices for me for previous periods and for the current running period. Let's open the May invoice. Here I can check the invoice. If I need to, I can edit it. But I'm happy with this right now, so let's create the document and export to QBO. Once the export is successfully done, I can see when it was exported. Then I want to mark the invoice paid in my QBO account. So I'm going to mark the invoice paid here, which just takes me a second. And then I can now either wait for the next automatic invoice status update, or I can update the payment status right here from this invoice. And here I can now see that this invoice has been paid. Under my client, in the invoices list, I can also see which of the invoices have been paid and which are still only created or in approval status. When I want to export my invoices to QBO, I can also do that as a bulk action. So I can go to the billing tab and choose all the created invoices and export them to QBO as a bulk action. So this is it. This is how you can use QBO and Uku together to import and update your clients' data and to send out invoices to your clients. Thank you.